What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to create a simple illustration of Yoshi from Super Mario. Now you want to start today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a circle with an open end on the right side. So let's start up here. Start by going counterclockwise, go all the way around toward the top of our circle, come down towards the bottom. And that's going to curl this up towards the cheek. Going down, it's going to bend that up to right about there. Let's layer the cheek on top. We're going to step up, bend this down, going across that line, and then out. Let's add the nostrils across the top. We're going to start up here, it's going to bend this out, and then down with a short line. Let's go over towards the left, draw a shorter curve coming in. Let's go back to the start of our circle and draw the top of the cheek. We're going to go up, and then out. And then from this point, we're going to step up and draw a half oval, going up towards the top of the eye, round this out, and come down in behind the cheek. Let's layer the left eye in behind. We step down, going up, and then down on top of the muzzle. Now inside the right eye, we're going to shift the pupil towards the right. So up here and draw an oval, going down towards the cheek, and back up towards the top. On the left side, we're going to tuck the pupil in behind and go up and then down. Let's add a small circle on top of each pupil for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Let's add a thick brow on top of the eyes. We're going to start in between. We're going to go up, come all the way around, and then down towards the side. Let's go on top of the left eye, do the same thing. We're going to go up and down in behind. Now we're going to go back down and open up the mouth. We're going to start underneath our circle, curve the mouth, coming down at an angle, and just tuck that up underneath the cheek. Over on the bottom left, curve the tongue, going up and then in. Let's trace the mouth along the bottom. So we're going to step out, going all the way around, and just bend that up and then in. Now we're going to go back in behind the eye and curve the cheek, going all the way around, and just tuck that in behind the lip. So we're going to step up, go out, round up the cheek, and just tuck that in. From the inside of the cheek, we're going to add a seam. We're going to go up and then out towards the side. Now, there are 3 spikes along the side of the head. Let's start from the top. Just going to bend this up and in towards the point. Go out and then down in behind. Let's make a small gap and add another one, just pointing this out towards the right. And then back in. And we'll add one small one along the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Yoshi from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.